Hey guys, Scott Adams, Adams Equity Group, just touching base with you with a little market update for the spring of 2017. Before we get started, a couple of things to take a look at on the website. Just to your left here, or below it if you're looking at it in the blog, there's a couple of buttons. One is search every home in Metro Atlanta. You can kind of take a look at your neighborhood or homes areas that you're interested in if you're looking to move. Also, all of the sold properties are available there to look at, or you can look at the instant valuation button to get an instant valuation of what your home value is right now in Metro Atlanta. Today we're actually going to go over a little bit of a market update. Spring quarter is over. We just got our numbers in relative to last year, and it's a little bit surprising actually. Right now in Metro Atlanta, relative to last year, this time first quarter 2016, we're at 10,440 transactions in the Metro market. We're about 200 total homes, so it's relatively close. However, the prices have kind of started to jump up. Demand is higher than it was last year, so the days on market is much shorter. It's about a 12% faster days on market with 51 days. Our days on market's not nearly that long. That's the your average agent. Is 51 days on market is what it takes to sell a home. And the prices right now, the prices are seeing some really steep hyperinflationary numbers just because of low demand. So if you're thinking of selling, now's a great time to do it. Now here's the thing, when you're selling, there's a distinct difference. If you get and right now you have to be very accurate with pricing. If you're not within just a very small percentage, your property is going to get passed on. You're going to sit on market for an extended period of time, and then when you look at the extended list to sale price ratios after price reductions or after it's been on market for a while, instead of getting the 96%, you're going to be closer to 90. So that's a big chunk of money to lose if you're not very accurate up front. So right now, any agent with a pulse could probably sell your house. They're not necessarily going to get you the right amount of money. Make sure you talk with, as you're interviewing, make sure you give us a call. Let us go through our equity, one of our equity strategists or myself, go over a proper pricing strategy to make sure that we yield the highest and best return for your investment. It's pretty exciting times right now. In between 500 and 750, starting to see a little bit sluggish. Above 750 to a million is getting really sluggish. Matter of fact, I think that's really the 500 plus market. The days on market is actually going up. 750 to a million, it's going way up. So our luxury market's starting to stagnate a little bit just because there's a lot of selection on the luxury market, and your sub 500, your 250 to 500 threes, fours, and even kind of into the sixes, up to about 599, 600. Those are still flying off the shelf, if you will. So as you're looking to go on market, make sure that you give us a call. I'll come out. I will do a market analysis for you, and you can compare it. Always interview more than one agent. You just always should. However, it's kind of a testament to our accuracy and commitment and level of service that we provide. So we encourage you to always interview multiple people. As you get a little further away from the city center, some of the neighborhoods are not nearly. They have a larger deviation from these numbers that I've given you. So you could actually be a lot closer, a lot tighter, a lot more value in the neighborhood if it's a high demand, or a little further away on a lower demand. However, right now, as a market as a whole, we're definitely seeing some upward surge in pricing, a little more than I was actually expecting, but it's there. So if you're going to sell, it's probably a great time to take advantage of it. Even if you're just if you're transferring equity from one property to another, you're not really, if you're downsizing, it's an awesome time to sell. If you're moving up, again, let's take a look at the two different neighborhoods that you're moving to. But right now, with interest rates being as low as they are, that could be the great equalizer, especially if you're moving up over a long period of time to make it worthwhile. Let's chat. Give me a call, 404-564-5320. Look forward to hearing from you. Stay tuned for another video blog coming out soon, and thanks for joining me today. Talk to you guys soon. Take care.